Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About positive infinity, we need to change into the limit. So a approach to positive infinity, and we have the integration from 0 to a. So for this one, we can put like this, because x multiplied by this one, and we have x plus 1 over x. So this one we can put into s squared multiplied by 1 plus 1 over s squared to the power of 2. This one we have 1 over s to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 1 over s squared dx. Because we don't have the negative side, so I will put the negative go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s go to number 0, we see that on the bounds they start from 0 to positive infinity. That means number 0 on the right. So if we put number 0 on here, so you will go to positive infinity. When s equals to a, so we put number 8 on here, and we have u equals to 1 over u, 1 over 8. So number 0 we change by positive infinity. About a, we change by 1 over 8. And this one we change by u. S squared with the s we change by negative du. So for this one, we can change by a and b. They will go to positive infinity. So we put b in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, 1 plus tan t squared, we change by secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by du. Du we have secant of t squared dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when u equals to 1 over 8, so we put 1 over 8 gone here, and we can find the value of t equal to arctan of 1 over 8 when u equals to b. So this one we have t equals to arctan of b. So this one we change by octane of 1 over 8 about b, that is about octane of b. U we change by t tan t square. The u we change by this one. So this one we have secant of t square, and this one we have secant of t to the power of 4. And now we need to simplify. So this one we can write cosine t square dt. Next, we have the formula cosine t square equals to cosine 2t plus 1 over number 2. And now I will put this one gone here. I will put negative 1 over 2 go outside. So the integration of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, that is about t. And we can put the bounds from octane of b to octane of 1 over 8. And now we put the bounds gone here. So I will put this one gone here and here. This one we change by this one. Next, when a approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0, 0. About this one, octane of positive infinity, we have b over 2. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have number 0, number 0. This one we have b over 2. Octane of number 0, we have 0 in here. This one we have b over 2 in here. And this one we have b over 2. So we simplify everything in here. And side of b, we have number 0. So negative, negative, we have positive, and we have b over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.